Hi honeys, welcome back to my channel. This is Bhanu and if you're new, hi and please do subscribe to my channel. So आज का वीडियो होने वाला है एक DIY, actually two DIYs for this रक्षाबंधन. So thumbnail देख के आपको पता चला ही होगा. So without any further ado, let's get started. So this is the one I have decorated. This is a thali which I have decorated. Then also I made this a cute little Rakhi. So want to know how did I do that? So without any further ado, just have a look at the video. So first I am taking a steel plate. You can also take whatever plate you have had or lid which is round in shape. Then I am taking the paper covers which are easily available in the market nowadays. We are using them to reduce the use of plastic covers. So they are available in different colors like pink, yellow and different colors. So you can choose whatever color you like to decorate your plate or thali. So I am taking 2 layers of this cover. And I will stick one over the other on the plate as I am showing in the video. Let the covers dry by giving it a time. Then trim the edges to make it neat and clean. Now I am taking the green color A4 size paper. You can use any color paper to make leaves. So I am using green color paper. So I'm taking the same as the width and the length of the squares in same equally. So cut the squares and make the leaves I'm showing in the video right now. Follow the video to make the leaves. So I have made 8 leaves which I am showing in the video right now. Then I'm taking the double-sided tape and cut it into small squares, and I will stick on the plate or thali which we have been made like I'm showing in the video. Then I'm sticking the artificial rose flowers which I have had with me. I have 4 different colors, so I'm placing opposite colors, same colors in opposite directions. And stick the flowers onto the double-sided tape. Now it's time to place the leaves which we have made with the paper. You can place them in middle of each flower, or you can place the leaves which like I am showing in the video right now. Or you can use only 3 leaves to decorate a single flower like I am showing in the video again now. Then I am placing the roli chawal bowls and kumkum bowl, which I have had in my home with me, or you can use any caps or anything like that to use it as roli chawal bowl and kumkum bowl, and place it like I am showing in the video. So then I have decorated the thali by using different watercolors. So then I have used red color watercolor and added swastiks to the plate or thali and outlined the thali and given a simple design, and also added leaves for the flowers by using green watercolor, and I have added a little bit of white also to enhance the devotional touch. So for Rakhi, I am taking pink color cotton thread. You can also take any color which you would like and wind around the index finger and middle finger. I have taken 100 winds over my fingers, but you can take up to 200 or 300, and then tie according to I'm showing in the video, and cut the thread like I'm showing, and just cut the edges or like that, and spread all the threads like I'm showing in the video again to make the Rakhi. Then I will be taking a gold color sparkle pen and will be drawing a round color or circle shape on the cardboard, and I will cut it into and I will attach onto the flower or Rakhi we have made. I will attach it on the Rakhi we have made. Do it for both the sides. I have shown only one side, the other side was the clipping was missed. So cut all the extras to make Rakhi neat and clean, like I'm showing in the video again. So on the day of festival, you can add roli chawal and kumkum sweets and the lanterns and the Rakhi that I have made. I am showing in the video. Then lit the lanterns and celebrate the Rakhi. Have a happy Rakhi, honeys. So that's all for today, honeys. Hope you like the video. If you have tried this DIY, please let me know in the comment section down below. And thank you so much for watching. So let's meet in my next video. Until then, keep smiling, be positive and be happy.